Your leftover for Ankara is sumo. It's not sumo. It's big, it's not big. It's very useful. Okay, this one is the small, tiny Ankara. So I want to show you how to use the sumo Ankara leftover to create unique style. Okay, so you start from the back. You divide the material equal 50-50. Me equal. Okay, just focus your eye on my hand and see how we are going to achieve this unique portable style. This style is good for the young people and for the middle age. Like for the advanced women, I don't know if they will like this style. So you see the way I'm just creating the pleating, then I will knot it at the middle. Tell your customer to hold it for you so that you will knot it proper. In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deg Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. We are into many in one beauty. This is my page. I dey teach how to do makeup, gele. So, and we dey teach how you can do it on yourself by yourself. Focus. See the way I want to. Yes. This is the place where the style come from. Una see the one wey dey inside though. You know, say as we tie am, maybe you notice the one inside is what you will use. You see the way I fold it, because this is the part that is very important. Una dey see wetin I dey see. Una dey see wetin I dey see. Okay, that is it, my people. It's very unique and powerful style. Okay, my people, let me continue my introduction. My name is Deg Beauty. I base it in United Kingdom, London. We are into many in one beauty. We dey do makeup, we dey do gele, we dey do photo shoot, we dey do traditional bridal hair for all tribe. Book me for your event, your birthday, your marriage. In fact, I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. So, when I see the way I take fold down inside there for that corner, then you use pin. For example, maybe in case maybe your hair, you want to cover the back, that place I fold, don't fold it, just spread it and cover the back side. Okay, my people, this tie is very easy, as you can see. And this tie, even though you have the smallest tiny Ankara, you can achieve it. You can achieve it. Yes, so in case you don't like this style, I have, in fact, more than 600 videos on my YouTube channel. Go and rock my YouTube channel. Operation Do It Yourself. I have different style. How to do gele, different style is there. To achieve it on yourself by yourself, I have them, my people. You must learn how to do things by yourself. Okay, my number is at the end of almost all my video. All my video, my number is there. Go and see most of my job in my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram, Deg Beauty. Yes, so this is the final. She's happy. In fact, when they came to my house, they said, this material is very small. Auntie, what can we do with this small? I said, don't worry, sit down. She and the senior sister. So I just gave them decent style and they were so happy. They were so happy. They were so happy. Yes, so my people, go to my Instagram and see if you want to see my job. Book me for your event. Yes, so this is the both of them. They are rocky. They are rocky. They are ready for the event. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Don't miss the opportunity. Just call on day. Carry me, they go. Jehovah carry me, they